Trimble Business Center tutorial. So, where to get started? The very first thing that you're going to need is a trackball mouse, a numeric keyboard, and you're going to need to go to Google Earth Pro free download and download Google Earth Pro so that you can make sure your jobs are in the right place. Once you do that, you have the trackball mouse, your keyboard is numeric. You open up Business Center and you're going to start a new project. Generally, you have a set of drawings that you're going to import and you're going to draw from there. But first, you need to open up TBC. So you go to File, New, US Survey Feet, checked, okay. And you're here, you're at the open project. It's not saved, it's unnamed. The first thing you're gonna do is go, if you're importing a drawing, generally they have the coordinate system and zone where this says NAD83, latest version NAD83. I'm gonna go back to TBC. I'm gonna go right here to this project settings, click on it. And where it says coordinate system, you're gonna go to change, coordinate system and zone. And we're in United States NAD83, which is what our drawings are. And Texas North Central, next, and no geoid model, finish. Okay. So now you can, what I do is I go ahead and save. You want to save as often as you can, because if you have a shutdown or you lose power or your computer, anything happens and you're not saved, you lose everything. So we'll just call this test. So now we're going to import the drawings that we have in the Business Center to begin our takeoff or our drawing for the machines. So all you do is drag and drop. You're going to go to CAD. You have all the different layer managers up top. You go to CAD, and here it says place image, and you'll choose the image you want to place. I normally work off the bigger screen, but it's hard to see. I dropped the wrong file in. So the easiest thing is to have your plat open or your drawings open, and you scroll down to whichever one you want to import and get the page number. We'll import page number. Doesn't have a page number on it, so all right, so this is the one that we want. And to turn off all the grids, grid lines, you go down here to this grid coordinates. I always turn them off because it's kind of hard to click and see everything that you need. Also, if you want to make the project, you can change the project settings here by going to properties, and you can change transparency level. And it won't be as, it won't take up, it won't be as bright on the screen. And you can change the background here to white or black. Anyway, so we need a known distance to scale the drawing, and we have 100 feet right here. So go to 100 pixel to pixel here to here. Now the drawing is scaled. And to make sure that it's scaled, I always double check. You're going to go up to measure. And now you can measure from here to here. And it's 100 feet horizontal. So you're good. Now we're going to import the vector PDF, which will import all of the line work. It's already selected, and you want it to say joined dash lines. Join dash lines. I'm really having a hard time working on this small screen. Import a vector PDF. Join dash lines, import. Now all of your line work is imported. But it's not, they're not connected. So now you need to connect all the lines. I'm going to turn all the other drawings off. I'm going to change this one to %. Okay, so now we need to connect all of the existing contour lines and elevate them. And I always relayer them, because if you see over here in your layer manager, you have all of the imported line work named PDF lines fence. I always relayer them with my own layer, especially if you have a big drawing and you import a lot of vector PDFs. This layer manager is going to get extremely long, and it's hard to find what you need. So if you relayer it, you can find it pretty easily. When you start working on big projects, it's really important to relayer it. So this is PDF. This is named PDF C32 underscore C32. We're going to go to new layer. I do 001 econt because it puts it at the very top of my layer manager where it's easy to find. Now I'm going to connect these lines, join line, make sure it's connected all the way. It says join line here. This line isn't connected. Connect. And now that elevation 200 existing contour is all the way connected. You can, at this point, elevate it, or you can connect all the lines first and then go back and elevate it. Normally, I go back, connect all the lines, and then elevate later. To save time explaining how to do it, the purpose is you're gonna create all these elevated lines of existing contours, and then you're going to create the existing surface so that you can run your takeoff on your final drawing. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments about any